Students, we would be discussing this question and its solution. The question says iron exhibits BCC structure at room temperature. Above 900 degrees Celsius, it transforms to FCC structure. The ratio of density of iron at room temperature to that at 900 degrees Celsius, assuming molar mass and atomic radii of iron remains constant with temperature is option 1 root 3 upon root 2, option 2 4 root 3 upon 3 root 2, option 3 3 root 3 upon 4 root 2, and option 4 1 root 2. So we have to be clear that they have asked ratio of density D upon D, but for, in numerator we have at room temperature first, room, and below we have 900 degrees Celsius. Here it remains BCC, here it goes to FCC. So it is clear that this density would be greater as here it is FCC. Now looking upon the first and second option, the numerator amount is greater. So these two options are clearly taken away. The solution is among this and this. Here denominators are greater than the numerators. So by clearly the answer can be taken out clearly by the formula D is equals to Zm upon N into A cube. I hope everybody would know this formula. It is the basic formula written in the NCERT also. So by applying this formula here, Z for BCC and FCC are 2 and 4 respectively, 2, 4, and A is for numerator, it would be BCC, so it is 4r upon root 3, and for denominator, it would be 2 root 2 r BCC FCC. So putting these in the this formula, this would be both for Zm upon Zm A cube upon Zm A cube respectively for BCC and FCC, putting all the values here. So we would get simply 3 root 3 upon 4 root 2. So the correct option is option third. Here you can see option 3.